you're gone. I actually started. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do, since we're doing hearts on a lot of the rest of it, I wanted to just keep this a little bit different. So we're gonna overlap some circles here. So to do that, what you do is you just take a cutter, and let's just take some light pink, and then you can take another cutter and cut some of that circle out. And then use the same cutter to cut one of the other ones, and then we'll put some water here, kind of pop this on, and then grab this one and insert it right in that little spot. Voila! And then sometimes, see, like over here, what I do is just two round ones and overlap it, or here where there's two together, you can put another one on top and overlap it also. So let's move it around the front. Put some bigger ones here. It's a little big to put one on top. So what I'll do here, I can still change my mind and cut some of that out. Take the same cutter. Okay, maybe on that one I'll go ahead with the smaller one, like this, and place this over the top. All right, we're back and onto the felt fusion, as it's called. I'm sure there's different names for it, different companies, I'm sure. Like I said, you just get it at a craft store. I thought it was super cool. It does have a backing that you can just peel the backing off, but I'm guessing that it's going to be a little bit easier to actually glue it, because I don't need all of the backing taken off, and I don't want it to be like too sticky, tacky underneath. So what I want to do is just take a little bit of the glue just to kind of start it to see if it's even going to work that way. And then take this and bring this right up there, and I'm going to have it just stick up just a little bit. Okay, because it's kind of a jagged kind of look, so some will stick up and some will kind of sit down a bit. One thing I do need to watch for is because that glue gun again is so hot, it's kind of burning my contact paper. I should have brought my high temp, low temp. I'm actually going to turn it off for a minute and then let it kind of cool down and then turn it back on. That's cute though, isn't it? Just cute little design around there. Okay, so now scissors, cut off like right at this heart here. And then I can just kind of overlap that a little bit. Okay, and then just get rid of the little cobwebs from the glue, and we're ready to go on to the next one. How cute is that? Look at that. Very cute.